I am here in the hearing room of the House Judiciary Committee, where they just wrapped up a hearing on what we are calling the Packing Heat on Your Street Act, which is a very dangerous piece of gun lobby-supported legislation that would make it easier to carry concealed weapons all across this nation. What this bill would do is it says, if you have a concealed weapons permit in any state, even a state with virtually no restrictions, no training requirement, you can carry your gun anywhere else, into any other state, into any community, even into states that have very severe restrictions. So these permit holders could be carrying their guns in Times Square, and New York authorities could do absolutely nothing about it. And this is all based on a completely false premise, and that is this idea that there is somehow a constitutional right to carry a concealed, hidden, loaded handgun. There is no such right. The Supreme Court has said there is a right to have a gun in the home for self-defense, but in that same decision, the court said that there have been many long-standing rules and regulations on guns in this country that are still presumptively legal, and one of those instances was banning concealed carry of firearms. The Supreme Court itself, in the famous Heller case, made that clear. So this whole bill is based on nothing but a constitutional fantasy. And we heard testimony today from Police Chief Charles Ramsey of Philadelphia, a 40-year veteran of law enforcement, who said, based on his experience on the streets, this kind of bill would be a disaster for law enforcement and a disaster for public safety. This is a bill we all must oppose.